Three more startups that I'm keeping my eyes on as a SaaS software engineer. Number 1, Physical Intelligence. It has 5.6 billion valuation, and it's actually in talks of raising another billion to get to a valuation of $11 billion. This is the model layer for robots play. I've talked about Figure in my last video, but instead of building the entire robot, they're building the one foundation model that any robot can basically run from. The team itself is completely stacked with some of the most legendary academic names. They have Carol Houseman from Google DeepMind, Sergey Levine from Berkeley. It's backed by Bezos, Lightspeed, Thrive Capital. And I care about this because if this company wins, robots get stratified like mobile did. Operating systems will be separate from the actual hardware itself. I think robotics and hardware is going to be the next biggest expansion in the world of AI. Number 2 is Etched at 5 billion valuation. Etched is currently making a bet that no other company is making. They built a chip called Sohu that builds only transformers. Their thesis is that transformers and models will basically dominate in the industry. I think this is a contrarian play because if transformers get displaced, then Etched is just paperweight at that point. But I'm watching to see how it will play out in the silicon layer. Number 3 is Mercor. They're valued at $10 billion, and they actually went from $2 billion valuation to $10 billion in just 2 months. I think Mercor has actually built a data moat. They actually built a marketplace connecting domain experts like lawyers, doctors, and even staff engineers with AI labs that need labeled data to fine-tune their models. Their ARR went from 0 to $100 million in just 2 years. I care because as foundation models commoditize, the differentiator stops being the model itself and more of the data that it's trained on. And specifically, this is expert labeled data. I think Mercor is going to be the infrastructure layer for that shift. I think the pattern across all of these 3 companies that I mentioned is that the model layer is shifting into the physical layer. And the silicon layer is also a big bet for the industry as well. And the data layer is becoming a marketplace for human expertise. Which one of the companies are you most interested in? I would love to know below. And if you want me to break down any of the technical bet amongst these companies, then make sure to let me know and I'll make another video on that.